Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at a fun little kit here. This is from TESTORS, the gray, the extraterrestrial life form. And this is in 1/6 scale, unassembled. And here on the front cover, we can see here are different stock photos with some sort of background behind them. 1/6 unassembled in different languages, approximate height of 7 inches, 17.7 centimeters, suggested age level, skill level 2, requires glue. And if we continue on the side flaps, you can see the recommended paints and tools required for this model, again in multiple languages. This is from 1995, again, the Tester Corp, an RPM company, and you can see here kind of a sneak look at another model kit, the Area S4 UFO. Continuing here, this is kit number 761. And on this side, it just has a Tester's logo. Very faint imprint of a serial number at the bottom of the cardboard box there, too. Go ahead and open this. You have your basic instructions there to put together the figure. TESTORS, again, kit number 761, 1/6 scale. A color key. Basic numbered parts there. Here's also a little serial number down here. If we continue on this side, it's actually more of a poster. You see here with the S4 model, as well as a picture of the gray and another picture there, example paints. And there here, look for the Area S4 UFO revealed. That's number 576. It's a 1/48 scale. And a little bit more information there. Placing this in 1995. So let's see what we have here. This kit was started. In fact, it might actually be ready for painting, actually. So you can see here. Yeah, I don't even have the original parts tree anymore. But you can see here has already been mostly assembled. Maybe a little bit of putty is required to help fill the seams. But a pretty smooth glue job there. You can see here a couple points you can possibly use as contact points on the base. Here's your rough base there. Basic molding there with a little bit of a rocky landscape. And I had actually extended the neck portion with some extra tubing, because if you notice, the head can be sort of posed a little bit, and with the tube I put in there, it kind of made a sort of a bobblehead kind of as well for fun. I could actually put a spring in there, actually have it spring loaded or whatever, or you can do fun stuff like putting his head on backwards too if you want. But no decals, just basically it's ready for paint, and it gives you an idea of the level of molding there. And this is the assembled head, again with a added piece I use as a neck extension. You can see here the clamshell kind of pieces that are used to put together the body and then the other limb extremities. But taking a very quick look at something from TESTORS as part of RPM. And TESTORS has also collaborated with other modeling companies to produce other different genres of models as well, not just, like a figure or science fiction models, but they also did vehicles and military models as well. But taking a look at Gray, the extraterrestrial life form from TESTORS in 1/6 scale. This has been an unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos as well as selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.